workshop, we will place their recordings from the talks. So you will be able to see them one more time, or to see the talks which you missed. So we have the program is on our webpage. In the program tab, we have 6 talks for 35 minutes and then a 5 minutes break. Like a break, maybe better to say 4 minutes questions and 1 minute for break. And we have 2 talks which are more about tools, and they are for 15 minutes, and then 4 minutes questions and 1 minute for a change. You can notice that there is a small change in the program. So in the last standard session, with talks, there is a change. So Radek Piórkowski will talk 40 minutes later from 4:30, and Javier and Alex are moved to 20 minutes earlier. So it's such a small change. As we are 30, we can allow ourselves for questions, so we encourage you to ask questions, and we will do it like that. So please just write in the chat, and speaker can answer your question, or speaker can not answer your question. But one of us, me or Philip, we will be chairs. If we decide that this question is very important, for example, it's about some crucial misunderstanding, we can ask loudly this question. So I think it's proposed to deal with questions in such a way. So maybe some general remarks. We wanted to tell you why do we organize Infinity? We organize because we think it's just important to do such meetings more focused on some topic, that it really helps research, and particularly it helped us, I think 2 or 3 years ago on Infinity in Prague. We met with Sławek, with Ranko, and with Jerome, and then after this meeting we did a big progress on vast reachability, and so of course online meeting is not so good, but we still hope it will be fruitful for you. Philip, now your turn.
So I will just discuss the last part of the workshop. It's about open problems. The point of this, well, there are many points, but one of them is that we wanted this part to be kind of informal, kind of encouraging you to discuss and present some open problem if you have some interesting thing. But also we were hoping that like one of the points we wanted to have is like to kind of see in which direction our community is going. So I think the best way to see this is like on what kind of topics we are working now and which topics we find important. So this is the goal of this last part. Yeah, I was supposed to make also a small comment about so this year about the topic of Infinity this year. We emphasized a bit on the web page and in general that it's oriented towards vector addition systems, and this is just because we thought it's better to focus on one topic, and it's not necessary. We don't think it's necessary that it has to be vector addition systems, but we thought that it's better if we focus just on some set of problems, and we chose this one. And finally, during when we were organizing this workshop, we essentially didn't do much, but the one thing we did is we worked really hard on the poster. So we're hoping that you like it and maybe you would like to print it and put it on your wall. And Professor Rankolajic will be grateful to you too. Yeah, so I think that's more or less all I had to say. And we have 4 minutes. I think it's good if we start on time. So maybe Wojtek, can you say something about your day?
I encourage everybody to use this 4 minutes to see the poster. Maybe some people haven't yet done it. Where can we see the poster? In the web page. On the web page. In which tab? I think on the main, yes. Or maybe you can let everybody go there alone.
Okay. Well, maybe someone would like to say something. It's like 3 minutes session of I don't know.
So let's just wait 3 minutes, and in 3 minutes, let's start.
Yeah. It's because all my other shirts are dirty. So maybe actually, Sławek, can you share your screen? I hope you're here, Sławek.
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm going to try. I think it works. On the other hand, I suppose I will not be able to see the chat during the talk.
So let's.
At all. So please communicate to me.
I can either interrupt you, or if I will find it disturbing, we can just do the questions at the end of the session.
You can stop me and communicate to me the question, okay, if you feel it's a good idea.
Okay.